Hey everyone, welcome to Plants and Politics. So I have some good news to report in regard to the cases against accused pedophile and child sex trafficker Ghislaine Maxwell. Last week, as you may recall, I was pissed because a court of appeals allowed Epstein's ridiculous plea agreement to stand. And that agreement not only gave him immunity from prosecution, but it also allowed his unnamed co-conspirators to walk free. And I questioned, as others have, whether or not Maxwell would be covered by that agreement, because that question had just been up in the air and unsettled. Well, no sooner did I post that video when news broke of a ruling in this matter. So Judge Allison Nathan, who's overseeing Maxwell's cases, ruled, quote, "The court concludes that the agreement does not apply in this district or to the charged offenses." Yeah, I was so happy to hear that. So on top of that, Judge Nathan ruled against Maxwell in regard to her statute of limitation argument, if you can even call it that. Maxwell's attorneys had argued that it's unfair to prosecute her for alleged conduct that happened over 20 years ago. I mean, imagine making that argument in a murder case. Well, Your Honor, I mean, he murdered her over 20 years ago. Is it really fair to lock him up now? So yeah, it is fair. So in fact, due to the passage of an act called the Protect Act from 2003, Congress provided prosecutors with more latitude and discretion in regard to crimes against children. So that act granted them the ability to prosecute at any time during the life of a victim. So overall, the judge just slapped Maxwell around, just smack, smack, smack. And she refused all but one of Maxwell's many requests to dismiss charges, to disqualify and exclude various language. So the only thing that Judge Nathan agreed to was a severance of Maxwell's perjury charges from her sexual assault and trafficking charges. The judge concluded that the perjury charges can and should be handled as a separate matter because some of the information disclosed in the transcripts related to the perjury charges specifically prevent Maxwell from exercising her Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, which, I don't know, I guess if she's talking about stuff that hasn't been disclosed, things that have been redacted, I understand, but the rest of it is out in the public sphere. But in any case, that's how she ruled. There will be two separate trials in regard to these issues. So there will be the trial that supposedly is coming up in July 12th, I believe is the date for the sex trafficking and sexual assault charges. There has not been a new date set yet as far as the perjury charges go, but I'll keep you guys posted. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.